Gates open, they're up and racing. Real Thunder draws for your lead. Loretta moving up by the rail is Distinctive Dancer. Then next in line, Devil in disguise. Banay is on the outside. Madame Leonora is Storm Play by the rail. Then comes the Stellar Ace running in between runners. Warstar, Chuchinelli and Dugos favorite as they race towards the last 800. We have Distinctive Dancer, Real Thunder, Loretta moving up on the outside. Banay racing in fourth. Down in fifth is Storm Play. Devil in disguise, Warstar as they race towards the last 450. Loretta by about a length and a half. Banay moving up on the outside. Distinctive Dancer is running by the rail third. Then comes Real Thunder, Madame Leonora, Storm Play as they swing for home. Loretta by about 3 lengths. Banay is in second. It's still Loretta. Banay remains in second with 100 meters of the race. Loretta by about 6 lengths now, and finally second win for Mark Alvarez on Loretta. Second, Madame Leonora, Banay, Distinctive Dancer and Devil in disguise for your Pentafecta.